Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another speed cleaning video because I always post one speed cleaning video a week. Usually I post those on Wednesday. On Tuesday I posted a video, so I wanted to wait till Friday to post a video. That's not like my usual schedule, which I do apologize, because I do have like a set schedule of every Wednesday speed cleaning video and every weekend a vlog. So I'll probably still do a vlog this weekend. I'm not really sure because I don't really have a lot going on in my life. It's about time to clean my room. My boyfriend's kind of made a mess. Like, not just a little mess, a ginormous mess. Like, I don't understand. Like, I had it organized in here. Like, it just looked like a livable space. And now it's so messy that I don't even enjoy being down here. I had my bed all made all cute. I don't even want to show you what it looks like. Like, I am that embarrassed. A lot of it's cased in too, because he'll play down here and it kind of gets messy. But are you ready to see the awful mess? So this is my room. This is the state of my room. And this is just awful because, and like those, I don't understand why those have to be put on the floor, why they can't be put back. I will never understand. Yeah, so I'll quit talking and let's start cleaning because this is just insane. wraps up the speed cleaning video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I hope you still stay a subscriber after the mess that I just had to clean up. But promise you, majority of the mess is not mine. So anyway, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.